Well, our 46th wedding anniversary has come and gone, and I didn't document it very well. Uh, Richard had a doctor's appointment, and we did go eat sushi, which I forgot to take pictures of. I took a picture of the last bite, that's it. And we had a cat come and adopt us. That was our big thing. We went over to our daughter's house and found out what she wanted us to do because she's going to leave for a trip, and I'm going to be taking care of her cat off and on with some other people that are helping. And since she knows that we have a adopted cat, she gave me some cat food. So I had a couple days worth of food to feed her. She really likes the stuff I feed Boo Boo, which is, who wouldn't? It's chicken and rice. I lick my fingers when I give it to him. So it's good. It's good stuff. I don't I don't put any seasoning in it other than I did put some curry powder in it, but no salt or anything good. So anyway, this was our day, and there wasn't much to it. But it wasn't a big deal. It wasn't 45, it was just 46. The next big one will be 50 if we can live that long. And we both plan to. So we'll see. When you hit our age, we have friends that are dropping, and you just don't know. The only good thing is we both know where we're going, and we are both at peace because our kids are all doing well, and they all love God, and they're raising their children right. So what more of a blessing could you want? Anyway, this is it.